Motorized performance. This is our 2019 motorized bicycle. Now, this is not like any other. We have a wheelie bar on it. So if you can see, wheelie bars are normally meant to be about this high off the ground and keep the front from coming off the ground, but that's exactly what we want. So when you're sitting on it, you roll back and you're in a wheelie and you can sit here and balance. First idea was to have this as our pit bike at the drag strip. Now we went with a 20-inch Stingray because it's small and compact, it would fit real nice in the trailer. But then we found out it had a little bit more torque than a big wheel bike. So we decided to ride wheelies on it. And then we noticed you kept falling off the back and it just wasn't stable. So we added a wheelie bar. And now this wheelie bar keeps us stabilized and good to go. So in this video, you'll see all of our shenanigans.
We got the motor warmed up, now it's time to warm the tires up.
This wheelie bar is made out of leftover chromoly tubing and chassis tabs from the Moonshine build. So back here you can see we've got some chassis tabs welded together, and then they're welded right on there, and we got a caster welded on there. And then up here we have adjustment. So this tube slides in to this tube, and right here you can drill another hole in this tube for adjustment. So you can slide this in and out. As you beat that up, that will move in and out. Up here we got the same exact thing as we do back there. So up here, instead of having nothing there, we actually cut through a tire because the seat post, everything bent down and it cut through a tire and then popped everything. And I made these brackets here to support it. So you can see in there it kind of houses the wheel a little bit. And then we also made another seat post because our other one, you know, we broke it. And I had to weld a 90 into that because that kept bending too. So everything you see here is from the Moonshine build, and back here we even have some foot pegs in case you want to stand on those, but we haven't tried that out yet. case you were wondering how that last shot was filmed, well, this is how.
You got a brawl.
Oh yeah. Thanks for watching, stay tuned! Oh no! You good? You got fuel coming out.